Okay, so now we're going to do a skip wave. A skip wave is a combination of a finger wave and a pin curl pattern. It must be on a diagonal. So you need to find out what is diagonal. This is vertical, straight up and down. This is horizontal, straight across. But diagonal is somewhere in between. So what we're going to do is put our finger right here and then make a finger wave on a diagonal. Just like that. Now that we have that finger wave pattern, then we need to slice out the pin curls. So how do we do that? We go straight up the shaping and always start from the closed end. We want to comb underneath that so that we'll be able to tell the difference. Then we need to split this into about 4 different pin curls. So the first thing we want to do is hold our shaping, ribbon our curl. Then when we put our curl into the shaping, we want to make sure that the end is tucked. Then when we pin it, we open up the pin curl, go through the circle and pin to the base. The second pin curl, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to ribbon the curl, smooth it out, make sure we tuck the end and put it right next to the shaping. And again, when we pin it just like that. Then the third pin curl is the same thing. We're going to ribbon it out, put it next to the shaping. You want them to be all about the same size. And when we pin it, go through the circle, pin to the base. And then our last one, ribbon the curl, and then when we pin it to the base, and it should be sitting right in front of the ear. So now what we need to do is to do the same thing. And if you notice, these are parallel. So now we have to make our next one parallel as well, and they should be about the same. So we're going to make another finger wave on a diagonal. And then again, we're going to go from the closed end to the open end to slice out our pin curls. And we're starting from the open end to put the pin curl in, hold in that shaping, ribbon the curl, and again make sure the end is tucked, and then we pin it to the base by going through the circle, pinning to the base. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pin curls over here, we have to have the same amount here. So I'm going to take another pin curl, ribbon the curl, and again, we're pinning it real close to the ridge. And then we're going to divide this into 2, because remember we said if we have 4 in one, we need 4 in the other. And then we have our final pin curl. So if you notice, they're all diagonal and they're all parallel. So this is the skip wave.